will be the elevator at the Macy store at Bridgewater Commons, Bridgewater, New Jersey. It's a Westinghouse. Installed in 1988.
You can tell from the outside it's a Westinghouse?
Yeah, it's a Westinghouse.
I'll wait here for you.
Yeah. Typical Westinghouse door operator. Oh, nice motor. Does the dinner bell work? Oh, YMCA song's coming up. Too bad I'm getting on the elevator. No dinner bell. Oh, wow. New cab.
I'll wait right here.
Yeah. Head down to 1. Door close button does not work. That's a YMCA song. Nice. This seems a little messed up, to be honest with you. Slam. Two's burnt out. Up. No dinner bell. Here on 1. Too bad I just don't have a dinner bell. Whoa. This thing needs some help. Typical Westinghouse call station. Head up to 3. Head up to 3. Old school water fountains. Here we go. Epic motor. Just your basic Westinghouse elevator. A EPCO CircleLine phone doors jam, so you need your cell phone on this one. A Type A fire service. Bouncy stop. Macy's clean your elevator. Now that's a Westinghouse for you guys. For you. Yep, YMCA song still on. Elevator number 2. Nice cab. Come on. There it goes, and that's it.